Good day to you and welcome back to another training video on how to upload the BB files to Google Drive. We will now be looking at the second step in the process, and that is emailing the claim form and the bank statement to the claims department. As soon as you've received that bank statement, you need to send both bank statement and claim form to the claims department. Now, what is important to note here, in this video, I'm not going to address all of the sub-steps. Each sub-step is going to have its own little video. So step 2 is broken up in a number of videos. First of all, we will look at how do you download the claim form to that folder that you've created and which I showed you as the first step in the previous video. And then we'll make a video on how to scan and email the bank statement to yourself from the printer or the scanner. And then in that video, I will also explain to you how you go about renaming that document that you have scanned and emailed to yourself. And then there will be a last video under step 2 that explains how to email the claim form and the bank statement to the claims department. So in this video, let's look at the first step on how to download the claim form. First of all, you need to access the claim form, and that is something you should know by now. Remember in the previous video, I said that you need to access Google Drive and you will create a folder with the deceased name, and I used Lindiwe as an example. So I've already opened the claim form. This is the claim form that you now need to download into that folder that you have created. So I've now opened it, and the next thing that I can do then is I will now go to File and say Download, and I will download as Microsoft Excel, a XLSX document. I'll click on that. Now you will see immediately at the bottom here, it will show that the document has now been downloaded. I will click on that document, and now it will open up the document on my computer and no longer on the Google Drive. So now it is opened on my computer. I will, if you have the same here where it says Enable Editing, you can then just click on Enable Editing, and then you go to File, Save As, and now you need to go find that folder that you have created. So here I will click on Browse because I want to go and find the folder. Remember, I said I'm saving my folder under Documents. I will then go to Documents, and then I will go and find my BB Files folder. You see, there's the one that I've created, which I showed you in the previous video. I double click on it, and we are in the month of August. I'll double click on that, and here is that folder of the deceased Lindiwe. So I need to go and save my claim form under this folder. So I'll double click on it again. Now what is very important, remember you need to name this document. This is now the claim form, and we need to number it according to that checklist. This is the checklist that I'm referring to. So I see the society claim form is number 1. So I need to number that document as number 1. So here the document name is already under the file name. I'm not going to delete it. All I'm going to do is next to it, I'm going to add number 1, and I'm going to say this is the claim form, and keep that information of the deceased next to it, and then I'm going to click on Save. Right. And so in that document, if I go back, I go to Documents, I will then go into BB Files, I will go to August, and I will now double click on this deceased folder, and there is the claim form. This is one of the forms, this one as well as the bank statement that I need to immediately email to the claims department. In the next video, I will now show you how to scan and email documents, and in this example it would be like a bank statement, so that you can get it through to the claims department. Thank you.